Pascal's triangle. Most notably, we're going to use Pascal's triangle for something called the binomial expansion, which I'll cover in the next video, which is basically an easy way to factorize, say, if you have a quadratic like this. You can factorize it without having to do all the long steps. But to do this, you need to know Pascal's triangle. What is it and how do you remember it? Well, Pascal's triangle is basically this. I'll draw it out and then let's see if you can find the pattern yourself first. 1, 1, then we're going to have this again, and 2, 1, 3, 3, and 1, and then we're going to have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and it continues on infinitely. So there's no finite Pascal's triangle, it's an infinite concept. What do you notice? First of all, we have these ones covering the edge of the triangle. These ones on either side of the triangle, right? It's going to form basically the edge of the triangle. So the edge of the triangle is lined up with these ones. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If I made another row, there would be 5 here and then a 6. So this row continues in a specific sequence, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same with here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will be 5, 6, and so on. So that tells you something else as well. But then how do you make the Pascal's triangle? Well, look here. You have 1 here, and then you have 1, 1. Then you have 2 here. Where did this 2 come from? It's the sum of the 2 numbers above it. In the same way, we have this 3 here, right? It's the sum of 1 plus 2. Sum of 2 plus 1, 3. Then we go to the next row, right? We have sum of 1 plus 3. The one above it, that's going to make 4. Sum of 3 plus 3, that's going to make 6. Sum of 3 plus 1 is going to make 4. And always the outer edge is lined with these number 1s. So it's a pretty easy concept to pretty much understand. Outer edge is lined with 1s, and then the number in the middle is just the sum of the 2 numbers above it. Now this is called row 0. This is called row 1. This is called row 2, row 3, row 4, so on. How do you know the row number? Well, that's clearly the 0. But you can find the row number by looking at the second number in the sequence. For example, first number here, and then we don't have a second number, so it's going to be 0. Second number in this row is 1, so it's going to be 1. Second number here is 2. Oops, I deleted that by accident. Second number here is 2, so it's going to be row 2. Second number here is 3, 4, and you kind of see the pattern. We're going to get 5 and 6, so we're going to have row 5, row 6. That's a pretty easy way to find out the row. That's pretty much all you have to know about Pascal's triangle. That's it. Thanks for watching.